Hello, today we are solving May 2019 IAL Unit 1, question number 2 for Samantha, who is in the business of buying and selling goods on credit. So here it is a part E question we have to solve. Evaluate the use of control accounts. We had prepared trial balance, we had prepared trade receivables control account. Okay, we had also prepared bad debt and bad debt recovered journals. Now evaluate the use of the control accounts. Whenever you are saying control accounts, it is nothing but the summary of all the individual trade accounts, okay, trade receivables and payables accounts. Okay, it is going to summarize the entries and helps in checking the accuracy of the ledger. It will also help in locating the errors when there are differences discovered, okay, in a particular ledger, and you can say that say that there something has gone wrong in the particular ledger, or whenever there is a difference, okay, in the posting of the ledger, okay, or the double entry. It can check any double entry errors which has happened in the books. So then it will also help in preparing the total of trade receivables and payables, and you can immediately prepare the financial statements. So it will help in the speeds up the preparation of financial statement, and also helps in the checking of the arithmetical accuracy of these total balances in the books. Okay, now against the control accounts, it takes time, you need a skilled staff, and also some of the errors are not revealed by the trial balance. For example, okay, a double entry error, a commission or omission error, it cannot be detected. Okay, example, omission errors, okay, omission errors, okay, cannot be detected by the control accounts. Okay, so which is not revealed by this trial balance will definitely not be detected, okay, by the control accounts, by the use of control account. So in general, the overall decision is, you can say, in conclusion, okay, in conclusion, this is a very useful for the accountants to prepare, because it helps in the preparation of financial statements easily. Then the next part of the question,